to make another kind of mask with the extra flax seeds that I have left from making the gel. We got all of our gel in this pot. And it says to leave a little bit of the gel in here so that it can actually mix. So I didn't squish as much of the gel out as one usually would. Honestly, they don't really taste like anything. They're just seeds. They kind of remind me of a cracker. So if you don't want to make another exfoliating mask with the extra seeds, you could technically just eat it, you know? I wouldn't choose to eat it. Okay. I wouldn't do that unless you don't mind the texture of snot. When they're individual, it's fine, but I think it's getting the gel in there. That's not my favorite. I don't like that texture one bit. Okay, we got one of our mason jars. Just a little one. That's not that much. And then we're just gonna kind of scoop all of this. See, I would have been really sad to throw all that out because that's so much more that we're gonna be getting. We know it's a little bit of a different one, but it still has all of the nutritional values and benefits that come with the flax seeds. And that would have just been super wasteful. What do you guys usually do with your flax seed, like your extra flax seeds? I'm gonna try using this in the gel for face and hair. Need like a smaller spatula. All right, I'm gonna go and rinse my hands real quick and wash that off. Now we have ourselves a flaxseed exfoliant or mask, whatever I wanna use it as, because I did not wanna throw it out. I'm gonna go give this a go. Okay, I love you guys, bye.